As the Lagos government is busy demolishing and bringing Igbo property down, they say that the northern Nigeria are busy building a mansion in the road of Lagos in the name of begging. Many people will be confused in this that I said here. But I'm going to show you a video. You see thousands of the northerners in the middle of the road begging. Not even when the sitting are clean, you will see how the environment look like. And this is the work of northerners in the Lagos. Why the people who come to build, invest, doing their legitimate business and also beautifying the state are the ones being targeted. This is so saddening. I'm going to show you the videos for you to watch. And let me tell you, in Nigeria, Igbos are doing more Nigeria than the people who own the power of Nigeria. If we say it's lie, then go to Southeast and count the property owned by Hausas and the Yorubas in Southeast. And go to other states in Igbo land and also tell us, you will see thousands of, go to other states outside Igbo land, you will see thousands of property owned by the Igbo people, businesses, because they believe they can come to your house and settle down and also do their legitimate business, pay tax, live legally in your own state. But why are you not going over to their own state to invest? So my people, this is a matter for another day. I'm going to bring the video for you to see and see what is happening in Lagos as we are speaking right now. Lagosians, this video is for you. However, my people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time when they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here. They bring you updates back to back as it hot. My people, I want you to watch this video for me to show the street of Lagos as we are talking right now.
Come an altar of sacrifice. These are people guarded on the road. Nigerians, northern leaders are being ruling, controlling. But here we are. These are people. They become an altar of sacrifice in our nation, Nigeria. That is an embarrassing. It's embarrassing. These are Nigerians. Embarrassing. Terrible situation. These are people.
In case you don't know, this is a brothers and sisters of Aliko Dangote, and this is a brothers of sister of Shetima. This is a brothers and sister of all the whole northern leaders, the people who own the power, the people who own Nigeria, the people who are ruling, the people who hand over the power or decide who will be the president or who will rule Nigeria. This is their brothers and this is their sisters. And it's these same people that even Mazin Nandikal bear one of them when he was arrested before. These same people that Obi go to the north and open borehole and they are as in they are giving it to Obi back to back over there. So these people are in the street of Lagos. I don't know why the Lagos state government are not seeing them to look for a way or something they would do to put them outside the street. Rather, going to where the Igbos has business, legitimate business for that matter, and start bringing it down for no reason, for no justification. There is a place called Alaba Arago in Alaba International Market. It's still there till today. Alaba Arago is a place that you will not even dream to visit. Very dirty. And today, Alaba Arago is still there. But the face of Alaba International Market are being destroyed everywhere. Some parts are being brought down by this government because Igbo people are the ones there. The day they even try to penetrate inside that Alaba Arago, ask them what they see, and they run and leave it. So, Nigeria, good morning. Things that is happening in Nigeria is something when you began to reason it, you say what is actually happening. and get the information that want to put regulation in social media, anything you are doing, you content creators and all these things. I hope those is not for us, because we always start for truth and we'll stand for truth. Nothing is going to stop us for saying the truth. My people, I want to play you this video for you to listen what this our brother said in this particular video. Igbos are doing more Nigeria than other tribe in Nigeria. Watch the video.
Oh, Lagos is overcrowded because of the Igbos. They have the business mindset. They have the, let me tell you something, nobody is more Nigerian than an Igbo man. Because wherever an Igbo man is, he doesn't mind investing there. That place becomes his home. If he finds himself in Warri, Warri becomes his home. If he finds himself in Kaduna, Kaduna becomes his home.
He builds his house.
He builds his house. He stations his family.
And he brings
his relations. He brings business. He brings investment. He brings development.
And prosperity to the state.
And prosperity. That they come with this light. Just like they said that the sun sets from the east here. They are the children of light. That is why we bear some of this name. Mwachuku. We are children of light. So wherever we are, even in the midst of darkness, even in hell, you will bring brightness.
You should feel the Igbos are the richest and the most industrious tribe.
As a people, we have billionaires in most of Igbo families. And they started with nothing. The government never added.
Story of Lagos can never be completed without Igbo. There's nobody will tell me now that development of Lagos, he can explain development of Lagos without adding Igbo. The person is not correct. Do you understand me? So, my brother, Igbo has a lot to contribute in the country. Okay, if they say the Igbos are not, yielding to the economy of the country, why wouldn't they allow them to go? They are agitating for Biafra. The same Nigeria said they will not go.
So are you saying if people goes, the economy of Nigeria will crumble?
The economy of Nigeria can never be the same. And they know, Nigeria know, economy of Nigeria can never be the same again. Okay, let me tell you. Check the time, all the time that Igbo handle economy of this country. During the time of Carlo, even recently, Govt Kenji, when Govt Kenji was the Minister of Finance during Good Luck, do you experience what is happening today? Then, at least everything in Nigeria was moving well. You understand? Anywhere you put Igbo man.
Yeah. Do you know it's necessity that brought Igbos to Lagos? It's necessity. Because that is the only way they bring in goods.
Because of
the seaports. Because of the seaports. That is what Nnamdi Kanu is saying. Let's make these seaports that we have in Ugwuocha here functionable. Omambara seaport. Omambara should have a seaport in Anambra State.
Where is, for clarity's sake, where is Ugwuocha? Because it's not all Nigerians.
It's Port Harcourt here. That of Calabar, that of Warri. If these seaports are working, you will see the economy will, the pains of the people will be brought down to barest minimum. But these things are not happening. Oh, Lagos is overcrowded because of the Igbos. They have the business mindset. They have the, let me tell you something, nobody is more Nigerian than an Igbo man. Because wherever an Igbo man is, he doesn't mind investing there. That place becomes his home. If he finds himself in Warri, Warri becomes his home. If he finds himself in Kaduna, Kaduna becomes his home.
He builds his house.
He builds his house. He stations his family.
And he brings his
relations. He brings business. He brings investment. He brings development.
And prosperity to the state.
And prosperity. That they come with this light. Just like they said that the sun sets from the east here. They are the children of light. That is why we bear some of this name. Mwachuku. We are children of light. So wherever we are, even in the midst of darkness, even in hell, you will bring brightness.
You should feel the Igbos are the richest and the most industrious tribe.
As a people, we have billionaires in most of Igbo families, and they started with nothing. The government never added to their sources.
Like recently, Kanayo said that Nigerians will be, saved from all this poverty and this quagmire if they allow Igbo man to rule. What's your thoughts?
No, let me tell you something. Igbo has...
I'm of the opinion, or I believe on the people that said, unless Igbos rule this country will never stabilize. You understand? So I concur to it. Now check economy of the country. Check Igbos. They are the only tribe you can find everywhere in the country, doing their businesses, paying tax to government, bringing idea, developing everywhere. Where I'm living today, we are up to 300.
You come to east here, east being the Igbos. They have their own area. If you say no, you come to south here, we have our own that we are producing. Like in my place, they are not the one doing my work for me. You understand? So if you say most industrious, I don't understand what you mean.
It's like an Igbo man, you can find them everywhere.
Likewise, any tribe at all. They are doing that. That does not show that they are most industrious. They are doing
businesses and they build the economy.
Yes.
And they are the one driving the economy of Nigeria.
No. How many? Is he Igbo person that is our coordinating minister of economy? Is the person from Igbo? So you don't say they are the one coordinating our economy.
Okay, my wonderful people, now don't hear them, and now so we see them. Now we say we bring them, come give on more know wetin dey happen for inside the area. Now don't see them. It's all this thing where we bring you, come give you now. It correspond with wetin they talk before. The Igbos are living everywhere for Nigeria, developing, bringing new ideas, doing their legitimate business and paying their tax. But the Northerners can never live. It's few of them. The ones who are looting Nigeria, you see them Alhaji this, they have estates they are not even living in. And they will find the place the Northerners are living. Very shattered areas. They will stay there with their whole family burning. Then their number one business is stay in the street. This is the people who own the power. Is it supposed to be like that? Let us say the truth. So what is the cause of this thing? This is the question I'm putting here for everybody to answer. Share this video and subscribe to this channel.